there's only one place to start. Brooks will tear you apart. We'll be ringing all over Riga tonight. How are you feeling, David?
Yeah, it's on top of the world. Obviously, kind of everyone knows the story. It's been a long 3 years to kind of get to the point where I can put the Wales shirt back on properly, and yeah, to top it off with a goal is really nice.
And I can imagine you've been thinking about that moment of scoring for your country again so much. Now that it's happened, I bet it's pretty emotional, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I don't really know what to say. I think obviously the last 2 weeks, just in general, has just been a bit of a whirlwind, really. Obviously to kind of get back and be involved in the first team at Bournemouth is obviously great. Just kind of building up and trying to get some minutes, and then to get my first Premier League goal just before I come away was obviously a bit of a confidence booster. And yeah, apart from that volley I missed, I felt quite comfortable in front of goal. So yeah, thankfully it went in the end.
Well, David, huge congratulations and enjoy the celebrations tonight.
Thank you.